I just dropped a new song. I'm up here following my dreams, doing my thing. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about something that I've talked about several times on this channel, and that is making money from your music. And the opportunities out here it's a lot of opportunities still in this day and age to make money from your music, even though with all of the free downloads, you can listen to it on YouTube, you can listen to it on Facebook, wherever. There's still opportunities for artists out there to make some money, whether it be by doing shows or whether it be by like different streaming services, like Spotify and Amazon Music, Apple Music, all of these different platforms. Even what's the other one? SoundCloud, I believe they got a streaming service. So yeah, I talk about it, guys. And the company that I use to distribute my music, which I love, I've been with them like 2 years now, which is Distrokid, guys. For under $20 a year, you can upload unlimited music and get it out there and start actually making money from it, guys. So if you're an artist and you're not with Distrokid, what is you doing? All right, get with Distrokid. Link in the description. You actually get, I believe, like a 7% discount if you follow the link in the description, guys. Get signed up and start uploading that music. Now, I'm all excited because I just released a new single, F.U.I.M.E. It's out right now on Spotify. It's everywhere, but I'm gonna put my Spotify link to it, guys. If you into that hip hop, you into that rap, you into that flow, if you want to hear me flow, if you're on my channel, you don't know I get down, you can check it out right now, guys. I'd appreciate it, because like I said, man, it's all about following your dreams, doing what you do. If you got a talent, use that talent, profit from that talent. Why not? Why not? Right? Like, so you watching this video, you're like, man, this will make money online channel. Whatever. I'm promoting my music on my other channels as well. But I figure, why not? The more people, and you can take note of this, the more people that hear you as an artist, you never know. Like my subscribers or who watching the video, you might be watching or be a subscriber to make money online stuff, but you might be a rap fan at the same time. You know what I mean? So kill two birds with one stone. I give you that information on making money, and I'm giving you that hip hop all in one. All right. So guys, if you check out F.U.I.M.E, like I said, it's on iTunes and Spotify, but check it out on Spotify. And if you love it, play it all day, baby. That's more streams. That's how we do it. But yeah, I appreciate the love. Comment below and let me know what you think about the F.U.I.M.E, my new single, as well as any other songs on there. Show that love, and you could even share it. I'd appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, why don't you do that. Also, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. And go check out F.U.I.M.E.
I let the chain hang, yeah, I'm tatted up, and I love to cuss, I just don't give a See, I'm just doing me, and you should do you. Yeah, I hear you talking, that's just your point of view. And see, I just don't care, I be like, yeah, I done heard it all, damn, there's haters everywhere, and they keep me motivated.